How to fix moisture detected in charging port error on Realme device. If your phone was exposed to water, rain or high humidity, the moisture sensor may have been triggered. So for that, you have to clean your charging port. Wipe the charging port with a soft dry cloth or cotton swab, and you can also shake your phone gently to remove the excess water from the port. And after drying your phone, restart your phone and check if the error disappears. If the error appears randomly, then restart your phone. If your phone did not come in contact with water but still shows that error, that might be due to dust, humidity or system glitch. So you can restart your phone and then try to charge your phone after the reboot. Sometimes a simple restart resets the moisture sensor and removes the error. Also, you can use the safe mode to check for the software issue. Turn off your phone, press and hold the power button until you see the Realme logo, and once the logo appears, press and hold the volume down button again. Then the phone will boot in safe mode, which you will see safe mode in the bottom left corner, and try to recharge your phone. If the phone charges normally in safe mode, uninstall any application that you have installed recently which may be causing the issue, and to exit the safe mode, you have to restart your phone. And if this still does not help you, you have to disable USB protection in the developer option. So Realme device has a built-in USB security feature that sometimes blocks charging due to false moisture detection. So to disable the USB protection, head over to your settings in your mobile device. Scroll all the way down and tap on About Phone, and here tap on Version, and here you have to tap on Build Number until you see a developer options, or until you see a developer option enabled. For my case, it's already enabled. So in order to head towards the developer option, head towards the search bar, and in the search bar simply type in developer options. There it is, tap on it. Under the developer option, scroll down and search for USB debugging, and you have to disable it. So here it is, make sure it is disabled. After that, you have to restart your phone and try to charge your device again, and that may help you solve your problem. If this still does not help you, now you have to look for the software update. Sometimes the issue is caused by a bug in the software. Updating your phone may fix it. So under the settings, you have to head towards the system, tap on software updates. If you see any update available there, you have to make sure it is installed in your device. After that, restart your phone and check whether your problem is now solved or not. If none of this help you and if the error still persists, then it might be a hardware issue. For that, you have to visit an authorized Realme service center or contact the Realme support device to fix your problem. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.